In this Learn It Quick video, we're going to discuss user-defined objects, or UDOs. So what are UDOs? UDOs are a set of tools that have been created by Oracle for EnterpriseOne. There is a large number of these tools that can be applied within applications and across EnterpriseOne. Let's take a look at the various ones that are available right now. Here's the list of the user-defined objects that are currently available for use. They go from customized grids, advanced queries, to more complex UDOs such as Cafe One layouts, composed pages, and also orchestrations. So what makes these tools so interesting and useful is the fact that these give the users the ability to change how their interface works, looks, and processes information. These tools can do so many various things, yet if a user goes ahead and implements using one of these tools and creates a new user-defined object, it does not affect the code of the application you're working with inside of EnterpriseOne. So all UDOs have a common set of tools. When a user-defined object is created, it becomes a personal UDO. That means only you see the changes that you're making to the screen. But then you also have the ability to share whatever you've created with other groups of users. You can submit these for approval. If it is approved by an administrator, you can share it with groups of individuals for use. We're going to be looking at a number of these different UDOs over the next couple of videos. We could begin by talking about customized grids, but instead we're going to dive into looking at advanced queries. When we think about UDOs, such as a customized grid or an advanced queries, these should be thought of as tools that can be created for specific tasks that a user performs on a daily basis. So if we're doing a specific task, like looking up a specific query or a search regularly, we can now save that query using the advanced query UDO. Advanced queries give us the same functionality of basic query searches, but add additional conditions that are not available with a basic search, including conditions such as enlist, blank or not blank, and there's more and more conditions that are available depending on the field. These additional features give us the ability to do much more intensive searches than basic searching criteria. When we have created a query that we like by clicking on the plus signs above the fields that we see here on the left, we can set the conditions in the query manager on the right and then save the query. When it is saved, it becomes a personal UDO that only we can see. If we find that it's exceptionally helpful, we can share it with other users by submitting it for approval by an administrator, and then they can share it with others if approved. As you can see here inside of the Query Manager, we click on the drop-down and we can see that we have queries that are personal, shared, and in other statuses too, such as rework. At the top of the Query Manager, we have some options. We can set any of our queries as the default query, meaning that this is the one that will open up and the query will be selected. Also, we can select to have it always run when selected. This last box says clear form when selected, and it also can be selected so that when we select one of our queries from the drop-down, it will clear out all of the fields in the header and the QBE line before running the selected query. This can be very useful if you're doing other searches prior to using any personal or shared advanced queries. This really is a powerful tool that can be a great time saver for users of EnterpriseOne so that they can have many saved searches that they use regularly. Additionally, queries feed many other UDOs within EnterpriseOne. We will be looking into that functionality in one of the next Learn It Quick videos. So that's going to do it for a quick introduction into UDOs and advanced queries.